Previously on Charting Course.
Ulendo is back. We've got a lot more problems than I thought we had. There's a few more than a few repairs that need doing. Ulendo's underside is almost completely rusted out.
Some colours painted on top of it, we should never do that.
What are you thinking?
Ow.
According to the AA inspection report, the air conditioner doesn't work. Oh my god! No, radio's still sadly dead. Oh, no it's not! What the fuck?
Well, I'd like to say that Infinity Insanity Alexander has been the most fun driving test pupil
I passed! Yes!
in the world.
Up or down. So I've decided it's way too hot. Oh my god, is it hot? So it's about the 10th of July, or 11th, I don't know. It's July, and we're being hit with a massive heat wave. It's really, really, really hot. Recently, I bought a reflective cover for the windshield, and I also bought some of these because I'm a preservationist, you know, I'm a collector. And what I really want to do is I want to save all this wonderful upholstery from getting all sunned out in the wonderful sun. Even though I love the heat, it doesn't do much for poor Ulendo, who's having to suffer through it. So the idea is block off the windows with these nice reflective shields. I'm then going to do all of the interior with this big foam stuff, going to get all of the carpets really nice and clean because there's a lot of grime that needs to be sorted out. And finally, I'm going to wrap my boyfriend's birthday presents. Why? Because it's his birthday at the end of this month, at the end of July. So because he's coming down on Friday, oh my god, I really want to make sure that Ulendo is nice for him. And that's kind of the instigator behind cleaning Ulendo's interior. I've done lots and lots of cleaning already, but I really want the interior fabrics to look a hell of a lot nicer than they already do. To make him as luxurious as I possibly can for my boyfriend's visit, he's going to be staying down here for 2 weeks, so you know, he's got to get used to the whole van life thing. I'm going to do a proper interior detail and also make sure that we have stuff to protect us from the sun, because Lord knows, I don't want these lovely bits of original upholstery getting all sunned out. So that's the plan. Let's focus on getting his interior really nice and making sure that he's protected from the sun. Here's the thing. These are too small too. God damn it. In terms of like if you're being even, you hold it all the way out, that's the whole thing, right? That's the whole thing, and that can cover that fine. But the thing is, I've got to split it down the middle. Fuck. Gone with the wind. So I've got to split it down the middle. Here, where this is supposed to go. Oh god, no, don't cut my head off. Don't question me. Problem is it keeps pulling and it eventually comes down. Right, okay, come on, let's get the blue tack then. Sod it, let's get the blue tack. Ooh, shake it well! is so early. No, it's not. It's about 10, almost 11 a.m. But it feels way earlier. Why? Because I spent all last night cleaning Ulendo. Look at this. A lot better, don't you think? Obviously, these marks are still visible here, but, you know, then again, they're so deeply in there. I just don't think I'm going to get them out. I've muted them a bit, so that's good enough. So I did all of this, and then all of these side bits here, and then everything down here, and then everything up there, and then all the way down here! So it was a pretty intense night, to be honest, as well as the fact that I did the passenger and driver's seats. They got completed, which was really nice. So, great progress has been made. Ulendo smells goddamn amazing. Take a nice whiff. Oh, new car smell. That's the finest smell in the world. After all night, until 4 a.m. last night, by the way, oh my god, we're gonna go over to Michael's, actually. And he is going to run a few errands with me, and then I'm gonna go back to his house and help him with some gardening, and some heavy work. I do this quite often, just to help him out. You know, it's important to help the ones we love and the friends that we have. I don't know where he is. Ah! Mr. Michael Wyatt! Hello. Oh! Oh, it's so good to see you. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I feel weak. Yeah? Oh. I feel giddy. Oh. It's so good to see you. How are you? As you can see, I brought my camera.
I gotta have a drink with you in a minute.
Yes, of course.
Because things have gone wonderfully well.
Really? Well, good. Well, I mean, this heat wave is brightening up the world a little bit.
Chocolate cream coaster, chocolate cream. I'm hysterical. Can we help you at all? I'm just feeling somewhat weak with the help. A map? Yes.
We are going to the center.
Yes. Where are we? My friend here is an authority on this.
Oh no, it's okay.
The bus is outside. You need a bus. That does a circular tour of
Yeah.
it and comes back to the station. Okay. It's number 8 that you decide to take. Number 8. Yeah. Just outside there. Thank you.
How much are those maps?
£5.
Oh, thanks very much.
He got you.
My goodness.
Well, then again, with the rising costs nowadays, you actually would, you know. Yeah.
Don't ask again.
Thank you very much.
I made a stir fry for Michael, along with a whole bunch of stuff. And filming for the purpose of the purpose of archival. The purpose of a heart attack, to show that I did not willingly manslaughter you.
No. It's very kind of you to do that, one of the many kind things.
After spending the afternoon helping Michael, I made a meal for us before returning home. Because soon I would be hitting the road once more, to visit a possible restoration shop for Ulendo, and, upon my return, I'd need to prepare him for perhaps the most special guest yet to join the series. But that's going to have to come next time! Charting course.
He's taken my waistcoat, which I offered him, and taken my shirt, popped the collar, got the glasses on, and he looks better than I ever do. Go all the way clockwise and then hold it there. Twist clockwise again. Heyo, it's Infinity here. Just wanted to ask you when your availability was for getting my camper van in. Oh, this is going to be good. I'm excited.
And go over the AA inspection report with him, and kind of try and hopefully discuss a price on things.
Like anyone knows you think, I don't know myself to be a perfectionist, but I like to try and get things right.
Yeah, something.
I don't know what perfection is anymore.
Go on.
Hello! And that Now, I don't know much about all this pop music business. All these boogie-woogie crooner chappies booper-dooping all over the place with their native jazz music. But I'd just like to say that if this country went back to singing decent, wholesome British tunes, we might put a stop to all this permissiveness. I'm puzzled by promiscuity. I don't get it. And that's always been the trouble.